Welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about the best dietary habits for patients with enlarged prostate. Cold water fish are advised as they are rich in omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are not only known to improve the lipid profile of the patient, but also decrease the inflammation found in the prostate enlargement. Tomatoes, because they are rich in lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps the patient with enlarged prostate. It decreases the size and the symptoms of enlarged prostate. Another source of powerful antioxidants is berries, like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Cruciferous vegetables, like cauliflower and broccoli. And these contain sulforaphane, which is a powerful chemical that targets the cancer cells. It thereby decreases the size of the prostate and improves the symptoms. Foods that are rich in zinc, like nuts, legumes, and shellfish. Zinc is used by the prostate, and a good concentration is needed for the prostate to function properly. Citrus products, like oranges, lemons, and limes. And these have high vitamin C components, which help protect the prostate. And lastly, onions and garlic. Both of these have been linked with a good healthy diet, and these have been linked with improvement of the symptoms and size of prostate enlargement. To summarize, here are the components: the lycopene-containing fruits, like tomatoes, watermelon, grapefruit, papaya, and apricot; the fish and fish oil, which contains the omega-3; the citrus fruits, which are rich in vitamin C; the zinc-rich components, like the nuts, the cashews, and almond; flowering plants, like garlics and onions; and green leafy vegetables. Some other advices for patients with enlarged prostate is to drink less alcohol and caffeine as much as possible, to decrease drinking water less than 2 liters a day, and limit the drinking 2 or 3 hours before the bedtime. And here's a small quiz. Which of the following fish is a cold water fish? And here is the answer.